My name is John Ritten, and I'm an agricultural economist at AgNext. Just really interested in natural resource management and all the demands that society places on our natural resources, from food production to recreation, climate mitigation, everything in between. And economics is a way to look at all those trade-offs in a meaningful way. It's interesting. I actually was invited to give a talk at a climate mitigation symposium, and I met Kim in the back over coffees, and we talked. And since then, we started collaborating on grant proposals, manuscripts, and then as of a month ago, I made the move down. So I've been here about a month. Rather than try to define sustainability, I try to look at the trade-offs across those different views of sustainability. And so we've typically talked about the three buckets. So we've got environmental or ecological sustainability. Most people say economic, I'd say financial sustainability, and then social sustainability. And so in my work, I try to really evaluate trade-offs either within buckets, but then also among buckets too. And so what happens as we start to manage for mitigation of greenhouse gas emissions in the beef industry? And what does that do to the financial sustainability of producers? And then if that does increase costs, how does that translate into higher food prices? And then the societal impacts of potentially pricing beef out of the diets of marginalized communities. And what does that look like for society as a whole? And so those are the sorts of questions I like to look at with sustainability, is those trade-offs with different people's views of different kind of definitions of sustainability. My favorite thing about working here, and I think the reason I made the jump down here recently, is the ability to work with such a great team, right? You've got experts across a lot of different fields. The diversity of people part of AgNext is really enticing to me, and allows us to ask bigger questions, I think, and have a more holistic view for some of the challenges that the industry is facing. And we're gonna, I hope, come up with better solutions because we're forced to question each other's assumptions, and we don't have that disciplinary silo effect that often happens in academia.